I am so excited about this new HTVRont tumbler press. This is the auto tumbler press, so thank you so much HTVRont for gifting this to me. I am a small business owner specializing in sublimation. I create so many different things with sublimation, and I have tried to use an oven in the past for creating drinkware, and it has been an absolute nightmare. I was so excited to get this auto heat press and be able to add it to my small business equipment. So let's open it up and see what I create. I'm sublimating a frosted glass can for Valentine's Day. The first thing I notice is how fast this heat press heats up. It doesn't take a lot of time and it's ready to go. Adjusting the time and temperature is really simple. It's super easy to operate. All you have to do is press a button and it's done. I found that the press had the exact amount of pressure needed and my sublimation glass can came out perfectly. I would give this HTVRont auto tumbler press high ratings and definitely recommend it.